Alright. My Union Pacific Spirit 1943. With just two stations. There's Dairy Queen over there, 2 bus, and KFC restaurant. Another station right there. With the Dairy Queen place. 2 buses. How do you guys like the video? If you guys, it's on this device. On this video. So, do you like the video, guys? Subscribe my channel. In the video, click like. Also in the video, put comments below, down below. So, tell me what you like about the video. Put comments down below. So, goodbye everybody. Amtrak saying out.